I'm presenting a mind map on neuron and neurotransmission. Neurons are specialized cells in our body that receive, process, store, and pass information. On average, there are 86 billion neurons in a human brain, and each neuron has around 1,000 connections to its adjacent neurons. A neuron has distinct parts, including dendrites, the cell body, the axon, and axon terminals. The axon is covered by a sheath called myelin sheath. Neurons come in various shapes and sizes. So, how do messages pass between neurons? Well, neurons transmit information to each other through a process known as neurotransmission, which is signals transmitted between them. A synapse is formed by the axon terminal of a neuron with the dendrite of an adjacent neuron, where the neuron having the axon terminal is called presynaptic neuron and dendrite containing neuron is called postsynaptic neuron, as the signal passes from axon terminal of a neuron to the dendrite of another neuron. They don't touch each other, and there is a fluid-filled gap between them, which is known as synaptic cleft. When a signal releases the axon terminal of the presynaptic neuron, it triggers the release of molecule called neurotransmitters into the synapse. These neurotransmitters then travel across the synapse and bind to matching receptor on the surface of the dendrite of the adjacent neuron. Neurotransmitters have a specific structure that fits into particular receptor, much like a key going into a lock. When this happens, it triggers a cascade of events in the postsynaptic neurons, which can result in the generation of an action potential within that neuron.